welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been healthy and safe. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag as well as bag review. As you can see from the title, I will be talking about the Celine Nano Luggage bag. I have been wanting this bag since forever. It is just a classic bag, and I don't know, I can never have enough black bags, so that's one of the reasons why I just fell in love with it. And just an FYI, this is going to be more or less my first designer bag. I've never owned a designer like high-end bag, and I'm really happy that this was actually my first ever designer purchase. I think it is just a classic. It is absolutely beautiful, well made, and I don't know, it just makes me feel really cozy. This bag as well is an early birthday gift to myself. I think I deserved it. It was a hard year, and that's the main reason why I purchased this bag. Before we get any further into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. And if you'd like to keep up with my life outside of YouTube, I am very active on Instagram. I post something every day within my stories or just a random post, so definitely follow me there. So just the first looks, this is the bag. How gorgeous, if the camera will focus, how gorgeous is this bag? Just look at the classic details. Absolutely love it. So I ordered this bag online and it came within like 2 days. I think I got free express shipping. So it came in this box, and then in the box is just a classic, you know, black box, and it also came with a dust bag, which is very thick and I don't know, feels like good quality. It also came with a different strap, and if you have been doing research on the Celine Nano Luggage, you would know that the strap is not adjustable, and that is something that disturbs me. I am 5'3", and the fact that the strap was so long, like I have the strap, I'm gonna take it to New York when I go back to New York and try to see if I can get it shortened somehow, but I don't even know how they're gonna do that without, you know, damaging the look. But it was just way too long. It was not cute. It was not classic for me to have such a long strap. So I have actually switched out the strap. Now I'm using a strap from my Teddy Blake bag, and thank goodness that it is gold detailing as well, because otherwise it would just not match this bag and I would just be having this bag without a strap. And my opinion personally on this bag is that you need a strap, because the loops here at the top, it's like you really can't carry the bag like this, so you're definitely gonna need a strap. Outside of that, I was also really worried that this bag was not gonna fit all of my stuff. Since about a year now, I have kind of downsized from wearing those big tote bags to now wearing these smaller bags. My last handbag and everyday bag was the Angela Roy. This is vegan leather. I don't remember what this is called, but I'm sure I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen. But this is the bag that I was carrying, and it's kind of like an accordion, so it definitely stretches and you can stuff a lot of stuff in there. And with this bag, when I saw it online, I was like, okay, it's called Nano. That means it's supposed to be small. Is it gonna hold everything that's in my Angela Roy bag? Because I do carry quite a bit of essentials and I do need everything, but I will say that it has held up and it has actually fit everything that I need to fit in this bag, and I'll show you guys that a little bit later. The last touch point that I want to talk about is the pricing of this bag. So it is a designer bag, it is pricey, it is expensive, but I will say this, I did a lot of research on this bag, and what I found out is that it's actually way cheaper if you were to buy it in the EU than if you were to buy it in the States, because normally with my other purchases, I always tend to just wait till I go back to New York to purchase it there, because it more or less is cheaper in the States when I do the conversion rates from Euro to USD or from USD to Euro. But with this bag, and I guess the reason why it's cheaper in the EU is because it's made in the EU, it's made in France. So it's cheaper for us here to purchase it than it is actually to buy it in the US. The price difference on this bag from EU to US is actually substantial. I think it was about $500 to $600 price difference. And I was like, okay, that's ridiculous. I'm not purchasing this bag in the States. That's not happening. So that's why I just purchased it directly on the Celine website. So now we can just jump directly into the what's in my bag bit. So this is the outside of the bag. I just love this classic detailing. I normally like to tuck this bit inside, but I've noticed when I tuck it inside, it's very annoying to open and close the bag, so it may just stay on the outside for everyday use. This is the back of the bag. Here, there's been a bunch bunch of like speculation about what this part of the bag is for. A lot of people are saying it's for your sunglasses, while some people are saying don't put your sunglasses there. I can see how it would work for your sunglasses here, but I can see why people say don't. Like, I would not keep your sunglasses on here and just walk around the city with it just flapping around in the back of your bag. I would say if you know you're at a cafe or if you're at lunch and you place your bag down, for example, and you have the sunglasses on top of your head, you can just put your sunglasses there instead of resting it on your head. I would not know otherwise what this hole here is for. Just in the front, you guys did see there is a zipper here, but I don't use this zipper for anything. I think the zipper, it's like way too thin in here and you're gonna bulge the bag if you put something in there. So this is just for looks, just for show. Nothing is actually gonna go inside of this zipper on my end anyways. And this is just the top inside of the bag. And you can see it does fit quite a lot of stuff. Maybe it could even be a little bit deeper, but that might actually just defeat the whole purpose of a nano. So let's just jump into what's inside of the bag. So the first thing that I picked out is this cute little bag, and it's from Longchamp. I found it recently because I knew that I was going to be getting this bag and that it was going to be small, but I wanted to be organized. So I was looking for like little pouches that I could put in the bag. And I just went to Bräuningland. It's like my local Macy's here in Germany. And I saw this and I picked it up, and it's just perfect for little things like lip gloss, maybe tampons, maybe gum. Let me just show you guys what's inside. So if I open it, you guys can see I have some perfume, chapstick, some matte lip gloss, and that's it. It's just such a cute little thing. Love that. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out, it feels like, you know, my magic hat, what's gonna come out next. This is my Coach card holder. I've been carrying this in all of my bags since a year now. I absolutely love it. I do have a wallet, but you guys see how thick this is. I cannot put all of these cards in my wallet. It would just not make sense. I got this for Christmas and it fits everything that I need. You can kind of see, you know, there's my Sephora card. I also have like other rewards cards like from IKEA, other shopping places. That's basically what I keep in this. If you want something like this, definitely check out Coach. I will link everything, including this, in my description box below. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out is, this is my hand lotion, and this is just from Bath and Body Works. This is in the lavender and vanilla sleep aromatherapy natural essential oils. Absolutely, absolutely love this. It smells heavenly, and I mean heavenly. Like, I love it. But what I'm realizing is it's really bulky for this bag. I wish I somehow had a smaller one or could just transform this into a smaller lotion, but it is very bulky for this bag. But I'm not gonna use it, so I stuffed it in the bag anyways. After this though, I will be downsizing to like skinnier lotions, just because the lotions that are this size, this is 2.5 ounces, they're just a little bit too big for this bag, you can see. And I don't even put this in the bag standing up. I have to put it on the side, and then it's still annoying. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out of my bag is going to be my wallet. This is just my Louis Vuitton wallet. I will link the name in the side corner, but I love this wallet. Before this, I was also rocking a similar Coach wallet, but I thought to upgrade because I had that wallet for such a long time. I absolutely love this wallet. It has everything that I need. So it has card holder, it can as well hold bills, it can hold coins, which is just very, very important for me because I do carry around coins and I don't want to have a separate coin holder for my change. It's just too much bulk, and again, this bag is just not that big. The next thing is just some tissues, hand sanitizer. This is as well from Bath and Body Works. This is in the flavor pumpkin apple. It just smells so good and it just reminds me of fall. We are kind of like approaching the very bottom of the bag, but you can still see that I have pulled out quite a lot of stuff so far. So the next thing that comes out of my bag is this fragrance mist as well from Bath and Body Works. I do love Bath and Body Works scents. I do live in Germany, so whenever I go home, I do stock up. This smells heavenly, and I mean heavenly. Like, this is one of the best scents that has ever come out of Bath and Body Works. in my opinion. I absolutely love it, but this is going to have the same issue that my lotion has. It's bulky. It's very, very bulky. I don't put it standing up in the bag because it's just too big. Right now, it's just laying like this on the bottom of my bag. I would not recommend getting this if you want to have this bag. So the last thing rolling around in there is a full-size lip gloss. This lip gloss is from Buxom, and this is in the color Rose Julep. It's just such a pretty pink. The next thing that I carry is my Chanel mirror. This is also a recent purchase. I bought it from Douglas. They were having a sale, so I just picked it up. I thought it was, you know, a little bougie, and there you guys are. You can kind of see the camera. How beautiful and classic. It also has like this, I don't know, magnetic opening type of thing going on here. I also carry this pen, very, very girly pen, I know. I got it from AliExpress. I will leave you guys a link. It came with a pack of like 12 or 20, as well as like the pen ink replacements. That is everything. The bag is more or less empty. There is one more flap in the back, which I will show you guys what's in there. But I wanted to point out that inside the bag, it's not just empty. I do have a bag insert, which is from Samorga. When I was doing all of my research on this bag, people were just saying that it is actually a good idea to get an insert because there is some like color transfer that happens maybe with your things onto the bag. So it's good to just have this inside of the bag, as well as it keeps the shape of the bag, which I really like. So I forgot that on the outside of the Samorga, I didn't put this inside the bag insert, but I do have my sunglasses, and this case I just got from some random store, but the sunglasses are also very affordable. I got them from Zalando, and they are just these like cat eye rounded sunglasses, and they're really in trend these days, so I just wanted to pick one up. They look like this, and I'm just the type of girl that I don't need super expensive sunglasses because I break them, I lose them. They're sunglasses. I don't need to spend, you know, 300 euros on sunglasses. So I'm happy that I could pick these up for just like 15 euros from Zalando, which is totally fine, and they look amazing. The last thing I want to show you guys, there is like this one single like flap on the inside, and this is where I hold like my pads. That's basically what I put back there, and that's about it. So yeah, that's basically everything that I carry in my bag, and I am obsessed with watching what's in other people's bag. And what I notice is that people don't do top-down videos, so showing you guys how the bag looks like when you pack stuff or if you take it out that way. So I'm also going to show you guys a top-down view of how I would repack my bag. I think that's also really interesting, just so you can actually see how I would place the things and fit the things in the bag. So guys, we've reached the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this bag. Again, everything will be linked in my description box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe, and I'll see you in another video.